Welcome to the first Rate Watch for 2024. Believe it or not, this year marks the 15th year that I've been preparing this Rate Watch content for you. And I wanted to say thank you because over that time period, I've received so many compliments, so much encouragement from you. And I hope to be able to do this for another 15 years for you. But without further ado, let's get into today's announcement. The Bank of Canada announced no change to the prime rate, which means that the retail prime that you and I pay remains unchanged at 7.2%. This came as no surprise, but what the market was more interested in was getting an understanding of how the Bank of Canada was looking at the path ahead for 2024. And in order to do this, we needed to understand their language, which we get from their press release. The Bank of Canada has a little bit of a dilemma going because on the one side, we have inflation that remains sticky is the preferred language. Think of honey. And so inflation has remained above the target. And on the other side, we are teetering here in Canada on the brink of a recession. There are some very, very negative indicators that are pointing towards a decline of the Canadian economy. So balancing between those two narratives is a challenge for the Bank of Canada. So where does that leave us with interest rate forecasts for 2024? Well, at the beginning of the year, as we were entering the year, there was a lot of optimism. We expected that the Bank of Canada would start cutting rates in April and that we would see about 1.5% of a drop to the prime rate in 2024. I think that's a little bit too optimistic. I think more than likely at this point, given the most recent economic data, we can expect the Bank of Canada to start cutting in June, July, and about 1% will be the total rate drop over the course of 2024. As always, stay tuned here because I'll be giving you the play-by-play. I know many of us are anticipating, waiting for those first few rate drops and the relief that comes with it. Until next time, bye for now.